This is a Johnny Cash cover of a Nine Inch Nails song called Hurt. He covered another song of theirs, Rusty Chain, I think it's called. Pretty wild. And I believe it was on an album where some record company came to him a couple years before he died and offered to let him record anything he wanted. And so there were the two covers of the Nine Inch Nails, which I believe were acoustic, even in the rock band Nine Inch Nails originals. And it has a great, it has a great pounding, powerful piano chord. And also it has clips from him and his wife, June Carter, and all of that, and, clips from his younger days, kicking out the lights at the Grand Ole Opry and smuggling amphetamines across the Mexican border. And so I'll do this with my fingers. I hurt myself today. See if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar stain. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you could have it all. I'm under. I'll let you down. I will make you I wear this crown of thorns upon my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts I can prepare. Beneath the stains of time, the feeling disappears. You are someone else. I am still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you could have it all. Mountain powder, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. If I could start again, a million miles away, I would keep myself. Find a way. Go crazy, cat. Oh, the great Arkells. Don't know if you've heard of them. I think they're an 8 or 10 piece power band from Hamilton. They've been going for probably 15 years at least. I think they got at least 2 or 3 brass of some sort in there. So this is Knocking at the Door by the Arkells. Yeah, we got a great stage show, very genuine. Got the North Star God in me, it's a fire inside of me. No, I don't need a miracle, I got something far more powerful. And in this collective, I got a brand new perspective. Some days I might break the tension, can't walk on water, but I'm walking through the intersection. All aboard, I heard my brother say. All aboard, I get some pride, that's me. And I'm knocking at the door thirsty. For more, that's me. I'm knocking at the door, I'm knocking at the door, I'm knocking at the door, that's me. Talk about the time we were broken, I regret the hours that were stolen, no shit. So hard to keep going, on her shoulders of the wheel and I just kept rolling. Even call it religion, walking into the mystic, when the powers of the people I don't get pessimistic. Standing shoulder to shoulder, I'll hold my head high, standing shoulder to shoulder, I'll walk across the finish line. All aboard, I heard my sister say. All aboard, I bring your offerings, that's me. I'm knocking at the door and thirsty. For more, that's me. I'm knocking at the door, I'm knocking at the door, I'm knocking at the door, that's me. From the people, turn the sound up, like we need it. Rise up, rise up, rise up, oh rise up. Rise up, 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 that's me. I'm knocking at the door, I'm thirsty. For more, that's me. I'm knocking at the door, I'm knocking at the door, I'm knocking at the door, that's me. Itchy eyeballs. And I have part of Little Green Bag, which I'll do anyway because I like the song. And who was that? Little Green Bag. Was it Norman Greenbaum? Looking back on the time for Little Green Bag. Got to find just kind of losing my mind. Out of sight in the night, out of sight in the day. Looking back on the time, gonna do it my way. Out of sight in the night, out of sight in the day. Looking back on the time, gonna do it my way. Looking for some happiness, but there is only loneliness to find. What do we got? Another 3 or 4 minutes. Time to put my finger to use. Old Man River. Tote that barge, lift that bale. I grew up in rural southern Ontario, 2 miles from a village of 500 people, and 18K from a village of 1,200 people. So, but somehow I knew that phrase, whatever it was that I just said, tote that barge, lift that bale. There's an that's the old man I wants to be. What does he care if the world starts trouble? What does he care if the man ain't free? Old man river, that old man river, he must know something, but he don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling. He keeps on rolling along. He don't plant taters. He don't plant cotton. Them that's plants them are soon forgotten. But old man river, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, swinging straight, while you're aching and not with pain. Till that march, if that bell, you get a little drunk and you lands in jail. I get weary, sick of trying, tired of living, and I'm scared of dying. That old man river, he just keeps rolling along. Old man river, that old man river, he must know something. He born on Oscar Hammerstein II. And did he have a rough childhood? Okay, well, this is 15 minutes. I gotta go, but coming up is Pump It Up by Elvis Costello. I'm ambitious.